Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie, and today we're doing lesson 4, part 2. Recognize characters in sentences and write some sentences. So before we get started, let's repeat the words we learned in part 1. Repeat after me. 在医院医生学校公司 And to remind you of our old knowledge, we also learned 是 as to be somebody. And here 在 also means to be, but it means to be somewhere. Okay. And also we had 学生, which means student. Okay. So now let's read the 5 sentences on the screen. Let's do it together. So these two, 医生, all right? And this one is 在 and 医院 So 医生 doctor, 医院 hospital, and they have the same character here 医 which means medical, and 在 means to be somewhere. Since 医院 is a place, that's why we have to use 在, not 是. All right? So let's read it one more time. 医生在医院医生在医院 So the doctor is at the hospital. Now, next one. These two are 学生 student. And this one, 医院 hospital. So since hospital is a place, we use 在. But in front of 在, we also have this character. If you still remember it, you know it's 不, right? 不 means not. So 在 means to be somewhere. 不在 not be somewhere. Okay? Not be somewhere. Okay, so let's repeat one more time. 学生不在医院. So the student is not at the hospital. Now, next one. 学生在学校学生 student 学校 school, they have the same character 学 which means study. So that's why both of the words have the meaning of studying this concept, right? And 在 is used in front of 学校 because 学校 is a place. So 学生在学校学生在学校 It means the student is at school. All right, next one. 学生不在 So the student is not somewhere, and we have a place after it. Do you still remember what it is? It's 公司 company. So the student is not at the company. All right. Now the last one. Do you still remember this character? 你 you, right? 你在公司吗? We have 吗, so it's a question. Yes or no question. So are you at the company? All right. So repeat one more time. 你在公司吗？你在公司吗？ Okay? All right. Now, let's try to translate these 3 sentences here. The first one, I'm a student. Since now we have 2 versions of to be, so you have to think about, should I use the first version, that's 是, or the second version, that's 在? So The reason why we use 是 is that after 是 we use a noun, and this noun refers to a thing. So you are something, you are somebody. And after the second version, to be, which is 在, we have to use a place, so to be somewhere. Since I'm a student, student is somebody, that's why we need to use 是. So let's write it together. I is 我 am 是. A student 学生. Okay, I'm a student. 我是学生. Now the second sentence. I'm not at a company. So here we're talking about the place, right? So we should not use 是. We need to use 在. Okay? And remember, in Chinese, when we say I'm not, literally we have to say I not am. So we say 我不 am here is 在. So 我不在. And company 公司 So I'm not at a company. 我不在公司. All right? So let's write it. 我不在公司 Okay? 我不在公司 All right. Now the last one, I'm at school. Still, at school is a place, so I am should be 我在, not 我是. All right? So let's write it. 我在. Do you still remember how to say school? 学校. So first let's write 学. And then we have 校. Okay. 我在学校. I'm at school. All right, that's all for lesson 4 part 2. If you want to keep practicing, then you can write more sentences with your own ideas. All right? We see each other in our next part. Bye bye.